Hello students, DBMS question. The question, it is a linked answer question, okay. The question asked is, consider the following ER diagram. So they have given an ER diagram out here, okay. There is one relation, means there is one entity, sorry. M1 is an entity, okay, and it is related to R1, fine. Here it is n is to 1, right? Now again there is an entity P, say P1, P2, okay. Then again there is a relation, and it is a weak entity N, okay. So N1 will be a partial key, right? This is an N2. Here also 1 is to N. Okay, so now we have to find out the minimum number of tables needed to represent, okay. So since here N is a weak entity, they don't have key attribute, right? Okay, and always dependent on owner entity type, and here the owner entity is P, okay, and it is dependent on owner entity P with the relation R2 into 1 is to N relationship, okay. Now I'm taking an example of you, just a very common example is the company database, okay. When you're talking about company database, dependent is also a weak entity, right? It is also name, signature and all, so it was also weak entity in the company database, fine. But and there was a 1 is to N relationship between dependent and employee, okay. But we have to create a table for that, so here also we have to create a table for these two entities plus this entity also. So therefore tables are, for M it is M1, M2 and M3, where M1 is the primary key over here, and P1 is, because it is related into relation R, so this key will be used as a foreign key for M1, for M, so this will be a P1, okay. Similarly for P, only P1 and P2, because it is not n is to it is not n is to 1, it is it is not n is to 1, it is n is to 1 here, means it is, this one is related to this is not related to this, okay. So that's why this, then again N1, N2 and P1, again P1 will act as a foreign key for this entity, weak entity N, okay. So we got 3 tables, right? So option will be what? Option will be B. So B is the option for the first part. In the second part, they have asked us which is the valid, means correct attribute set for one of the tables. So option A is matching, right? So for the second part, answer will be A. Thank you.